Welcome back. Today we're going to learn 4 new glued sounds. They're similar from yesterday, but instead of ending with NG, they're going to end with NK. So INK says ink, ANK, ank, ONK, onk, UNK, unk. So we're going to get some letters and just build some common words you might know. I'm going to get yellow for the consonant and green for my glued sound. So if I start with a P and then I get INK, which is ink, and I put that together, ink, pink. Now, if I want to change pink to think, ooh, is TH. Ink, think. So those are some common ink words you might see. Now, let's keep the TH for a second and get ANK, ank. That says ank, thank you. I could also get a B, and that's a place that you go to borrow money or save your money, a bank, bank. Then I can get ONK, onk. That is going to spell bonk, bonk. You might bonk your head on something and it would really hurt. Or if you're driving down the road, someone might honk, honk at your mom if she's driving too slow. Then I can get UNK, unk, and make unk, honk. A man that's really handsome is a hunk. I could also get, this one's kind of cool. I could get an S and a K and make a blend. So that's, remember blends, sk, sk, unk, skunk. So those are your new glued sounds. You've got ink, ank, onk, and unk. So continue to practice your passages. And if you'd like, we can Zoom together and you can read one aloud to me that you've been practicing. Have a great day. Bye.